Hey guys, I'm going to be making an updated bike check today. I got some new parts, so yeah. The first thing is the frame. It's a Sunday Soundwave, and it has like wave tubing that kind of stiffens it up a little bit and protects against denting. The forks are Primo Pro forks, and they're kind of heavy, but they're super strong. The offset feels good too. It's like a 26mm offset. The front wheel is a Primo N4FL front hub laced to a Primo Balance front rim. It's actually a good wheel. The spokes are still super tight after like a year, and I think it's because it's laced like 3-cross, I think. But it also has built-in hub guards, which is really good because hub guards are kind of expensive, and they're kind of a hassle to put on. So that's good. The tires and Odyssey 8-kin, they're good. They last a long time. So the seat is a Cult DAC. It's good. Not much to say about that. And then I have a premium seat post. The bars are Odyssey Gary Young bars. They're 8 2/3 inches tall with Odyssey Aaron Ross grips and an Odyssey brake lever. The stem is a profile acoustic stem. It's really nice. It's light and strong, and it looks awesome. So I like that. And then a Primo headset and some carbon spacers. So then the back wheel is a red line. Honestly, I would not recommend it at all because I've broken like 7 spokes off it, and they keep coming loose and breaking and stuff. And the rim has a few good dents in it, so I wouldn't recommend that. That's not very good, but it's what I have. So cranks are Demolition Revolts. They're super strong. They're just good. They're heat treated, so that's good. Odyssey twisted pedals. Those have been my favorite for a long time. A Cult member sprocket. That's good, I guess. Not much to say, but it's durable. The Cam C hollow chain. I don't know if you can see that, but it's hollow side plates and pins. Primo bottom bracket. Then I have the brake cable is just one that I bought like at a bike shop, just like a cheap one, and it's getting kind of sketchy as you can see, so I'll have to replace that pretty soon. The back tires are Odyssey Case Hawk. They're okay. They're not, nothing really to say, but I have Cult pegs, Cult metal pegs, front and back, just 2 of them, and a G-Sport gland hub guard in the back, and the built-in Primo ones in the front. And then, yeah, I think that's it. So, yeah.